Hi friends, welcome back to discuss part 2, theory HTML multiple choice questions. These questions are important for you to prepare for exam. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Let's see each question one by one. The first question, what does the herb attribute stands for in anchor tag? The herb attribute that stand for in anchor tag is to refer, hypertext, reference. A is the correct answer. 2. Which tag is used to create drop-down list in an HTML form? The tag that's used to create this kind of drop-down list in HTML, select is the correct answer, C. 3. Which HTML5 element is used to display measurement within known range? To display measurements within known range in HTML5 method is the correct answer, C. 4. Which element is used to group related elements in form and draw box around them? Field set is the correct answer. 5. In HTML, which attribute specifies that an input field must be filled out before submitting the form? To check or validate HTML form by using required attribute value. 6. What is the correct HTML syntax? HTML syntax that makes checkbox like this. C is the correct answer. 7. What is the correct HTML element for playing video files? To play video files in HTML, the video element is the correct answer. 8. What is the default value of the target attribute in a link? The default value of target attribute in a link is self. Which tag declaration is required as the very first line of an HTML document? In HTML document, the first line is doc type HTML. C is the correct answer. 10. What is the root element of every valid HTML page? The root element every HTML document is HTML element that includes all the other attributes and elements. 11. What does the entity ampersand NBSP followed by semicolon that creates? B. No breaking space is the correct answer. 12. What happens if you miss closing tag like paragraph closing in modern browser? In this condition, the browser tries to guess where the tag should close using HTML parsing rule that finds the closing. 30. What character setting coding is universally recommended for modern HTML5 documents? Modern HTML5 documents, the character setting coding is UTF-8. C is the correct answer. Question number 14. Which tag contains all the visible layout content of website? B. Body tag that contains all the visible layout content of the website in HTML document. 1.5. How many standard heading level H1 up to H6 exist in HTML? There are 6 types of heading levels in HTML. H1 up to H6, which are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and the smallest heading H6. 16. Attributes are written as name and value. How are they separated? Attributes are written with name then separated by equal sign. There is a value by equal sign. B is the correct answer. 17. Which attributes specify the main language of web page documents? The main language of the web page document referenced by or specified by the lang. A is the correct answer. 18. Which tag is used to format mathematical exponents like x square? To write x square, n square, and so on in like this type of expression in HTML document, we can use superscript. For example, to write x square, x, then sub 2, n sub 2, and so on. We can write like this to write or express mathematical exponents in HTML document. Question number 19. Which tag defines copyright text, legal privacy links, or content listing items at the base threshold layout of site? To write such a kind of expressions or list in the web page, we can use the footer tag. Footer tag. D is the correct answer. The last question in part 2. Which element is non-semantic and act purely as a generic revision container block for layout design? Div is the correct answer. It's all about HTML multiple choice questions in part 2. Thank you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye for the next.